All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're going to be doing some light reading, picking up from where we started yesterday inside of our new module, the Moccasin module. So we're going to dive right in as soon as it gets pulled up. Now, just to give you a heads up with this particular module, I wasn't able to run any of the specific commands that I needed to run because we didn't have all of the plugins that we needed. Again, this was due to machine, I guess, restraints. I guess I don't have the right equipment to run everything that I needed to run to actually get this up and going. But we're gonna just do some light reading for this entire module. It's gonna be all reading. I don't think I have any examples queued up for this module. So yeah, let's just pick up where we left off from yesterday. So previously we used two separate scripts to assist us in deploying our smart contract, which were deploy favorites.py file and a deploy favorites py file. Moving forward and using Moccasin, we will no longer need to use two different scripts to perform this task. To specify which network we want to deploy our small contract to, all we need to do is run this command in our terminal. We're going to say mox run deploy. We're going to see network anvil, letting them know this is the network we want to run it on. Then we're going to say this is a note. We use the Anvil network as an example. In the future, we may choose to use a different network to deploy to, at which time we will use that network in a command line just to run it instead of Anvil. It's that simple. And we can run the exact same code for every network using that command thanks to Moccasin. And we are going to learn a lot of tools that are going to make our small contracts work no matter what chain we are working on or deploying to. Additionally, we'll be learning to use tools with features that allow us to verify our contract on a blockchain explorer. Let me see if it's loaded up yet. Still not loaded up. Okay, so we're gonna leave it there for now because I am having an issue with my equipment. So that's all the reading we can do without it cutting out. So yeah, we're gonna leave it there for now. Again, it's only light reading. I don't have any examples queued up for this entire module. Again, I couldn't get the dependencies or installs to work at all. Usually I found workarounds, but this time this isn't the case. We're gonna just be doing light reading for this entire module. So yeah, we're going to pick it up tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.